Your Excellencies from the Diplomatic Corps, members of the Senate present, members of the House of Representatives present, secretaries of different executive departments present.
Husband and their daughters.
Religious fervor. We will also strengthen our coordination with Indonesia and Malaysia to suppress the kidnappings in the waters of our neighboring countries, just as we expand fire beginning December. Your arms where they are ngayon, and you can come down sa syudad or wherever you live. You visit your family. Happy to be here, and I said congratulations, and I salute you, the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Thank you very much, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Please be seated.
We shall now witness the pass and review.
Kalupunan sa likod ko.
This is our freezer. Our chiller, sir. Sir, pwede kainin po, sir. May lugaw po, sir. Mami sa lugaw. We prepare the time sa mga.